Hey everyone, have you ever stared at a Rubik's Cube, baffled, wondering how on earth to get all those colors aligned? Well, today I'm going to show you a simple method to master the Rubik's Cube in just minutes. Let's dive right in. First off, let's get familiar with our cube. Each face of the cube can rotate independently, and the goal is to get each side to be one solid color. Sounds tricky, right? But don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Step 1. The white cross. Start by making a cross on the white side. Focus on matching the white edge pieces with the middle pieces of adjacent sides. This not only forms the base of our cube, but also sets us up for the next steps. Make sure your cross looks right from all angles. Step 2. The white corners. Now let's slot the white corner pieces into place. Twist the top layer to find a white corner, then maneuver it below where it needs to go. Use a simple up, turn, reverse technique to pop it into place. Voila! Your white face is complete. Moving on to the middle layer. Hold the cube with the white face down and find the edge pieces that belong in the middle layer. Use a series of turns to push these pieces into their correct positions without disrupting what you've already done. It's like a little dance for your fingers. Next up, the yellow face. This can be tricky, so stay focused. Start by forming a yellow cross on top, mirroring what you did with the white side. This involves some specific twists, which might seem a bit complex, but once you get the hang of it, it's super satisfying to see the pieces click into place. Finally, position the yellow corners and finalize the edges. It's all about the correct sequence here, and patience is key. And guess what? You've just solved the Rubik's Cube. See, that wasn't so hard, was it? With a bit of practice, you'll be speeding through these steps like a pro. Remember, solving the Rubik's Cube isn't just about speed, it's about understanding the process and improving your problem-solving skills. So grab your cube, keep practicing, and maybe challenge your friends to see who can solve it the fastest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tutorial helpful. Comment below with any questions or other puzzles you'd like me to tackle. See you in the next video.